Welcome to Cadalyst SmartCasts. In this episode, we explore how using Razorleaf's CLOVER can help teams build a strong digital thread.
Modern product development depends on data, and a lot of it. But too often, those systems operate in isolation and teams spend time reconciling information instead of using it. A digital thread addresses these challenges by connecting product data across the entire product lifecycle. With a digital thread in place, product information remains consistent as it moves from design to manufacturing and beyond. That connection gives engineers something critical: traceability and real-time context, so that decisions are based on accurate, consistent information. One solution is CLOVER, developed by Razorleaf. It's a product data integration platform designed to help organizations implement and manage a digital thread across the product lifecycle. Rather than forcing organizations into a single data model, CLOVER works with the systems already in place. CLOVER uses a low-code or no-code framework with predefined digital patterns, which are templates built on standard core plugins, making it easier for organizations to configure and maintain their integrations with less custom development. This structured approach can enhance collaboration, streamline operations, and help users maintain efficiency as connected systems are updated and upgraded over time. For product designers, this approach helps ensure that engineering intent is preserved as data moves downstream. For manufacturing teams, it reduces ambiguity and manual re-entry of information. And for quality and service teams, it provides clearer traceability back to design decisions and configurations. The result is better alignment, not by working harder, but by having systems work together more effectively. Moving data from one system to another is only part of the challenge. Understanding what that data means and transforming it according to how it should be interpreted in each system is what enables a true digital thread. To learn more, read the full article at www.cadalyst.com/CLOVER.
Thanks for watching Cadalyst SmartCasts. This webinar was produced in cooperation with Razorleaf, developers of CLOVER. Find out more at www.razorleaf.com.